In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add image in Figma. So there are three different ways to add images in Figma. For the first method, we need to open File Explorer in our computer and then just drag and drop the image you want to have on your Figma frame. So I have this image, I just need to drag and drop it on my Figma frame and then the image will be inserted on my frame. Now for the second method, we need to firstly add a rectangular shape on our frame. So for that I need to select this rectangle tool from the bottom toolbar, then drag and create a rectangle on your frame. Now select your rectangle, then go to fill and now select this option which is image, and under it we need to click on upload from computer, and from here we need to just select the image which we want to have on our rectangle. So I want to have this image, I need to select it, then click on open. Now the image will be inserted inside your shape. Now if you want to add image from any browser, then for that just select that image and now right click on it. Now click on copy image and then go to your Figma and paste it by Ctrl V on your keyboard. Then the picture will be inserted on your Figma frame like this, and now you can increase the size according to your need. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.